Terminator creator James Cameron says AI has taken over and it's already too late. And he made Terminator, so...
He knows a thing or two.
That's right. He made Terminator and made many billions. Him and Elon are on the same page.
Yeah.
After almost 40 years since the release of the first Terminator. And you say this is the movie you watch over and over and over again.
I'm a big fan. T2.
So, yeah.
The second one.
So what does he say?
He was on a podcast and they were just talking about AI.
The 68-year-old said, I think AI can be great, but it can also literally be the end of the world. Yes, absolutely. And do we really want to be fighting something smarter than us that isn't us on our own world? I don't think so. No, definitely not. Yeah. It's going to be so much faster. It's going to be running all the calculations. It's going to be persuasive. It's going to have some humans on its side. A reason for the nervousness about the technology could be exasperated due to the recent launch of advanced software like ChatGPT. Yeah, for the time being, it's all poems and politics, but eventually I think we all know what goes down.
Sparks of consciousness.
I don't know if it looks like Terminator, but it probably looks like Terminator eventually.